Hello students, today we have to see next topic of first chapter sets, that is types of sets. Types of sets. Now first type, singleton set. Singleton set. If a set contains only one element, then that set is called singleton set. Now its example, for example, set A contains elements 2. This is only one element, therefore this is called singleton set. Now next type, empty set. Empty set or null set. If a set contains no element, then that set is called null set or empty set. Now its example is, for example, suppose set B contains no element. This is null set or empty set. Number 3, finite set. Finite set. If a set contains finite number of elements, finite number of elements, if a set contains finite number of elements. Now for example, suppose set D set contains elements 1, 2, 3, last element is 10. That is first 10 natural numbers. These are the finite numbers, finite number of elements. Therefore set D is a finite set. Number 4, infinite set. Infinite sets. Infinite set. If a set contains infinite number of elements, infinite number of elements, if a set contains infinite number of elements, then it is called infinite set. Its example is, for example, suppose set N contains elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. N is a set of natural number and this contains infinite number of elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Therefore this is called infinite set. Next point, equal sets. Equal sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if they contain same number of same elements. Two sets A and B are said to be equal sets if they contains equal, they contains same elements. For example, suppose A set contains elements 1, 2, 3, B set contains element 2, 1, 3, that is each element are same equal, therefore set A is equal to set B. These two sets are said to be equal. Now we have to see examples in practice set 1.2. Now question number 1. Decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not. Justify your answer. We have given 3 sets. We have to write whether these sets are equal or not. Now first write down set A. A is a set of x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Now we can write this as, therefore here 3x, here 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore 3x is equal to 2 minus 1 becomes plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore value of x is 3 upon 3, that is 1. Value of x is 1. Therefore A is a set which contains one element, only one element, 1. This is number 1. Write down second, B is a set of x such that x is a natural number, x is a natural number, x is a natural number, but x is neither prime nor composite. Prime nor composite. Therefore, B set contains, now which number which is not prime and also not composite? There is only one number, that is 1. Therefore, set B contains 1, element 1. This is set B, number 2. This is number 2. And set C is a set of x such that x belongs to n and x less than 2. That is, x is a natural number but value of x is less than 2. Therefore, set C contains element only 1. This is number 3. Now from 1, 2 and 3, their right hand sides are equal. From 1, 2 and 3, right hand sides are equal. that is they contains same number of same elements. Therefore, set A is equal to set B is equal to set C. This is the answer. Now question number 2. Decide whether set A and B are equal sets. Give reason for your answer. We have given set A even prime numbers, set B is a set of x such that 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. Now write down given set A is a set of even prime numbers. Therefore, set A contains elements even prime number. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and so on. But even prime number there is only one, that is 2. This is number 1. And write down set B. B is a set of x such that 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. Therefore, or here 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. We can write this as 7x is equal to 13 minus 1 becomes plus 1 is equal to 14. Therefore, x is equal to 14 upon 7, that is value of x is 2. X is 2, therefore set B contains only one element, that is 2. This is number 2. Now here from 1 and 2 right hand sides are equal, therefore their left hand side is also equal. From 1 and 2 or set A and B contains same number of same elements. Therefore, from 1 and 2, set A is equal to set B. This is the answer. Thank you.